This is a living challenge for white, but the goal really is to capture these two black stones to make a connection to the outside. Because if white is looking for eye space, there really is none. Right? There's just definitely not enough eye space for white to live. There's barely any eye here on the side. And of course, cutting here will not work. Black will just Atari and push through. And as we've seen in some of the other capture problems, white needs a setup, right? Somewhere around here, if white can have a stone, we're here, right? Then white will be able to succeed with number 7. This way, white will connect, and these 4 stones will be captured. So how do we get to that setup? And that has to depend on this cut. So this is how white can set it up, by playing here. And now, seems like white can't stand down here already. Now if black blocks here, white can just Atari. This is more than enough of a setup, and these stones will be captured. So white will succeed this way. The most difficult part is that black can actually play right here, this move. It's a really sharp move, and white needs to be really careful. If white plays this exchange first, now this cut at number 13 will not work. This way, white will still be captured. Similarly, this won't work. So that is why white must cut at number 11. This way, what happens is that white can play this Atari, forcing black to capture these 2 stones. But white can capture here, and now white can stand down and kill black's corner like this. So white will be able to live this way. This is probably even better than just capturing these 2 black stones. Of course, black has a better way to respond, and that is right here. This will be a ko. The 2 sides will play through this ko, but it will be a very bad ko for black, because if black loses, black is going to lose probably the entire corner, unless black comes back and save the corner. But the ko threats will be kind of wasted. Theoretically, this is a ko, but practically speaking, if you're black, and if you already know the sequence, this is a very bad ko for you. So what you should do is to simply capture here and allow your opponent to connect this way. Don't test your opponent, especially if your opponent is very strong. Right? This is the optimal sequence in terms of territory, and this ko is the strongest sequence in terms of black's resistance. So hopefully that made sense, and hope you enjoyed this challenge. Thank you for watching.